00 to 01, 01 to 02. Stop! 02 to 03. 90% of people trying to lose weight are making these mistakes right now. 03 to 100. Have you ever felt like you're doing everything right? You're eating less, trying different diets, exercising more, yet the scale barely moves. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. The truth is that weight loss isn't usually ruined by one big mistake. It's often destroyed by small mistakes repeated every single day. Today, we're exposing the biggest weight loss mistakes that keep millions of people stuck. And trust me, mistake number one is probably something you've done this week. Mistake number one, drinking your calories. Most people focus on food, but completely ignore what they're drinking. Let's say you drink 1 soda, 1 sweet coffee, 1 energy drink. That's hundreds of calories before you even think about meals. The scary part? Liquid calories don't fill you up the same way food does. This means you can consume a lot of calories without feeling satisfied. Instead, choose water, sparkling water, unsweetened tea, or black coffee if it works for you. Mistake number 2, eating healthy junk food, 2:30 to 4. Walk into any grocery store and you'll see low-fat, healthy, natural, diet-friendly. But marketing can be misleading. Many products labeled healthy still contain added sugar, excess calories, highly processed ingredients. Just because something says healthy doesn't automatically make it good for weight loss. Always read nutrition labels. Mistake number 3, ignoring sleep, 4 o'clock to 5:30. This one surprises many people. Sleep plays a major role in weight management. When you don't sleep enough, hunger hormones increase, cravings increase, energy decreases, motivation drops. And what happens next? You start reaching for quick, high-calorie foods. Sleep isn't optional. It's part of the weight loss process. Mistake number 4, weekend cheat disasters, 5:30 to 7. Here's a common scenario. Monday through Friday, perfect diet. Saturday, pizza, burgers, ice cream, soda, thousands of extra calories. One weekend of overeating can erase a lot of weekly progress. Balance is important, but turning every weekend into a food festival can slow results dramatically. Mistake number 5, doing too much too fast, 7 to 8:30. Many people start their weight loss journey like this: extreme diet, 2 workouts daily, 0 sugar, 0 carbs. Then, 2 weeks later, they quit. Why? Because the plan was impossible to maintain. The best diet is the one you can follow for months and years, not just for 7 days. Mistake number 6, expecting fast results, 8:30 to 10. Social media has created unrealistic expectations. People see dramatic transformations and think, I should lose 20 pounds this month. Real weight loss takes time. Healthy progress is often slow. The scale may not move every day. That doesn't mean you're failing. Consistency matters more than speed. Mistake number 7, not eating enough protein, 10 o'clock to 11:30. Protein is one of the most filling nutrients. It helps support muscle maintenance and may reduce hunger. Good sources include eggs, chicken, fish, Greek yogurt, beans, lean meats. Many people trying to lose weight focus only on calories and forget about protein. That's a mistake. Mistake number 8, underestimating walking, 11:30 to 1300. People often think, if I'm not sweating, it's not working. Not true. Walking is one of the most underrated forms of exercise. It's simple, low impact, and easy to maintain long term. A daily walk can make a significant difference over time. Mistake number 9, looking for magic drinks, 1,300 to 1,400. Lemon water, detox teas, fat-burning drinks, apple cider vinegar. None of these magically melt fat. Can some of them support healthy habits? Sure. But no drink replaces healthy eating, activity, sleep, consistency. Don't fall for miracle promises. Conclusion: 1,400 to 1,500. So what's the biggest weight loss mistake? Believing that weight loss requires perfection. It doesn't. Successful people aren't perfect, they're consistent. Focus on better food choices, more movement, better sleep, more water, long-term habits. Small improvements repeated every day create massive results over time. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more health and weight loss content. Comment below, which weight loss mistake have you made before? Have you ever eaten a full meal and 1 hour later, you're hungry again? Today, we're exposing the biggest reasons people stay hungry all day and how to fix it. Main points: not eating enough protein, drinking sugary drinks, poor sleep, eating too fast, stress eating, not drinking enough water. Benefits: burn more calories, better heart health, improved mood, better sleep, more energy, easier weight management. Biggest mistake: people think walking is too easy to work. That's exactly why it works, because most people can stick with it. The best exercise isn't the hardest one. It's the one you'll actually do. Hey, grab their phone, scroll social media, drink sugary coffee, skip breakfast, and wonder why they're always hungry and tired. But successful weight loss often starts with the first 30 minutes of your morning. Today, I'll show you the #1 morning habit that can help support weight loss, reduce cravings, and improve energy levels. Stay until the end, because most people are doing the exact opposite. Step 2, move your body for 10 minutes. You don't need an intense workout. You don't need a gym. Just move. Take a walk, stretch, do light exercises, anything that gets your body active. Movement increases energy and helps establish a healthy mindset for the rest of the day. People who move early often make better choices throughout the day. Breakfast is often sugary cereal, donuts, pastries, sweet coffee drinks. These foods may leave you hungry again shortly after eating. Instead, focus on protein. Examples include eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, protein smoothie, oatmeal with protein. Protein helps keep you full longer. 5 to 6:30. Biggest weight loss mistake in the morning: skipping breakfast and then overeating later. Many people starve themselves until noon. Then suddenly they're so hungry they eat everything in sight. Weight loss becomes much harder when hunger gets out of control. The goal is not starvation. The goal is smart eating. Hidden calories most people ignore. Let's talk about morning drinks. Many popular coffee drinks contain sugar syrups, whipped cream. Some contain as many calories as an entire meal. That's why black coffee, plain coffee, or unsweetened tea are often better choices. Thanks for watching.